just came today to Gerda's house in Lithuania. I'm gonna be here for a week. And I think an American person. So Gerda is my personal driver. We have a little fiat. It's so cute. We're gonna go pick up her sister at the station and then just watch movies in the evening because it's our first day. Gerda, gotta move your skirt. Whee. Wow, you can definitely see it in the slide.
This beautiful detail where you can see the skin.
Also, we're having some barbecue tonight. Look at this. Oh my god.
I don't know how it works though.
That's such a nice color. Good morning. Best part about the night is that Americans wake up and they can blow up your TikTok. But on another note, we're gonna have breakfast. I think we're having pancakes. And then we're gonna go to some thrift stores. I'm gonna curl my hair later. I'm gonna thrift a little because it's been like 2 weeks into like I have no permanent address, travels around Europe, and I don't have clothes. I mean, I've mentioned this in my Paris vlog, might have mentioned it in the Italy one, but like it's getting kind of serious at this point. Okay, we're going thrifting in our little fiat. Okay, the first thrift store was closed. Okay, this one was open and we got some stuff. We're gonna do a haul at the end of this, but now we're gonna check if there's like a third thrift store that we can go to. She puts it in the boot. The moment you've all been waiting for. Good morning. I just had my morning call, so from now on, since it's Monday, these updates are going to be very weird and niche and specific and not kind of like holiday vlogs because I'm just going to be working and Gerda as well, but we're going to be doing some cute shit, so okay, we're making some lunch. Gerda is heating up some patat. Sup vlog. Our hair is super frizzy because it's a really weird rainy day. Wearing Gerda's sister sweater. We are always in the car because we have nothing better to do. And we're going to the thrift stores today, the ones that were closed the other day. So, thrift stores and haul. Okay, shop number one is the No! What? That guy is right there, like he's literally writing parking tickets as we speak.
Oh yeah, that's a bit sad.
Well, parking ticket aside, number one vintage store is done. So the welcome shoe. How much do I have to pay? 3 euros. 3 euros? Okay, we got some really cool shit. Lingerie. Got some blazers. Gerda got neon orange shoes. Okay, we got back. You can see the actual try on TikTok, but I'm gonna show like a layout of what we got. So I got a white corset top that I need to like cinch in because it's a bit wide for me. I got this like transparent, very realization part-esque little top. Got this like lingerie top as well, which is very cute. Gerda got this like black tube top with leather on the side details. She also got these neon velvet heels. And she got this like very cute, very nice sweater top. I got, it's like an elastane sky blue shirt, really like that. And I got a pinstripe like pink and brown blazer. Guess where we are? In the only place where I filmed this vlog so far. Okay, we're going to another thrift store in our convertible housing arrangement, and we're gonna try to get pants this time. Then we're gonna go try to get me vaccinated with Johnson after having had Moderna, because I want to be fully vaccinated when I come back to England. So let's see. I just want to let everybody know that today was the second day that we drove into the city, and Gerda got a second ticket. We were out for like 5 minutes to get a pastry. What do you have to say for yourself?
Are you gonna tell the vlog?
Yes. Okay, I'm telling the vlog. So we're on our way. It's like 5 minutes away from my vaccine. Drinking my water because, you know, you can see how the last vaccine fucked me up here. Thrift stores were good. I got another transparent horror top. I got 2 vests. I got not one but 2 vests that I wanted so bad. Yeah, and they fit so well. It's like disgusting. I feel so lucky. And then I got pants, just like black short pants, cute. But the vest is like insane. Like I wanted the rouge one, I wanted the Aritzia one.
And these were like
2 euros or so. Like so cool. I look like absolute hell. It's like 7 in the evening of the next day, so it's been like 24 hours. I got a fever in the night, and then I had like a work call in the morning, and then I've been bedridden the rest of the day because I've been just like sleeping. We are going to Vilnius today. Filmed a bunch of TikToks in the morning that you can check out already. We love our fiat.
it does not look like a turd.
We both look so cute. Gerda just managed to parallel park into this giant spot, and I'm so proud of her. Good morning. We're gonna go get some berries. Hi guys, we got our nails done. Gerda got green tips, and I got little mushrooms. So it's my last my nails. My fucking nails are so cute. So it's my last evening in Gerda's house in Lithuania. I just packed my suitcase. It's very, very tight because we did so much thrifting. My TikTok is actually doing so well. I'm so happy. I feel like I haven't said it yet, but tomorrow I'm going back to Paris for 2 weeks. I am going for work actually, so I'll be staying in some cool places that I'm really, really excited to film and make TikToks and YouTube videos about. And then after Paris, I was originally planning on going back to London, but and like moving into my new apartment, which I've like signed the lease for now in Sicily finally, I decided to postpone that, and I'm gonna go back to Russia for a bit, for like 2 weeks. I love how in the beginning of summer I was like, oh my god, I'm so excited to spend summer in London, and then I was there for like 2 weeks all of summer. I'll see you guys in Paris.